Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see Class 2, Cycle Test 1, Periodic Test 1 question paper for the subject Maths. Okay, so we have Formation of Numbers 10 marks, Understanding of Concepts 10 marks, Ability to Compute 5 marks, and Problem Solving 10 marks. Okay. So we will see this question paper in detail, and students, if you want this copy of this question paper, kindly join the channel. I have given the description link for joining. Okay. So we will see one by one. So first we have formation of numbers. 5 marks. Count and write the number of object given below. So we have given objects, you have to count and write the numbers. Okay. So first we have a bunch of pencils. I'm going to zoom this out so that you can able to see the pencils clearly, students. Okay. So now we will count how many pencils we have. We have one. Going to change the color. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally we have 12 pencils. Okay. So next we have apples. So how many apples we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay. Next we have some books. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 books. And bananas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. So totally we have 16 bananas. Okay, now we will zoom back to the same size. Okay, so we have 16 bananas. So first count and write the number of given objects below. So we have count and written the answer. So bunch of pencil, we have totally 12 pencils. And bunch of books, we have 5 books. And bunch of apples, again 5. And bunch of bananas, totally we have 16. Okay, count it properly, students. If you want, you can recount again. Once you counted, count it again and see whether you have written it correctly. Okay, next. Count in groups. So we have given with groups. So there are dash number of grapes in dash groups of grapes. So first we need to count the number of grapes and how many groups are there. Okay, first we will see how many grapes are there in one bunch of grapes. Okay, I'm going to zoom this grapes. Okay, how many grapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. So I'm going back to the same size. So we have 10 in one bunch. So totally how many bunches we have? 1, 2, 3. So how many groups of grapes are there? There are 3 groups of grapes. 3 groups of grapes. And how many groups we have? 3 groups. So how many in one group? 10. So 10 into 3, which is 30. And we have one single grape, which is 30 plus 1, 31. So there are 31 number of grapes. Okay, 31 number of grapes. So next we have carrots. There are dash number of carrots in dash groups of carrots. So how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally we have 4 groups of carrots. So 4 groups. And how many carrots in each group? We have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carrots in 4 groups. So 5 fours are 20. And we have 4 separate carrots. So 20 plus 4, which is equal to 24. 20 plus 4 is 24. So you have to write 24. So there are 24 number of carrots in 4 groups of carrots. Okay, very easy. Next, there are dash number of peanuts in dash groups of peanuts. So how many groups of peanuts we have? 1. This is the first group, second group, third group. So we have 3 groups of peanuts, and each group we need to count how many peanuts are there. Okay, so we have 1. Okay, I'm going to zoom and write the answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 peanuts in one group. So 10 peanuts in one group. And how many groups we have? We have 3 groups. So 10 into 3, which is 30. And how many peanuts we have in single? 1, 2. So 30 plus 2, which is equal to 32. 32. Okay, so there are 32 number of peanuts in 3 groups of peanuts. Okay, so now we have completed formation of number, students. So this they will be giving 10 marks. Very, very important. So if all the answers are correct, they will be giving you 10 marks for this. So 5 marks for counting and writing the number of objects, and 5 marks for count in groups. So next we have understanding of concept. So understanding of concept, again 10 marks, very, very important. So we will see the first one. Circle the odd one out in the given group. So odd one out. Students, do you know what is the meaning of odd one out? Odd one out means it should be different from the group. For example, if I am writing apple, mango, and coffee, and what else? Guava. So if a question is asked in this to strike out the odd one out, what we have to do? We have to strike coffee out, because apple, mango and guava all are fruits, but coffee, it's a beverage, it's a drink, it's not a fruit, it's a drink. It's a hot drink, so it will not come in this group. Okay. So like this, we have to strike out the odd one out, or you have to circle the odd one out. Okay. So I'm going to circle this out. So first we have a carrot. So this is a carrot. And we have a cube. And we have an ice cream. And we have a cone shape hat. Okay. So in this, if we see carrot. So this is, let me write carrot. So carrot is in cone shape. It is in cone shape. It is in cone shape. And cube, it is not in cone shape. And ice cream, again it is also in cone shape. And this hat is also in cone shape. Like a triangle shape. Okay, but Here this is different. So we can circle this out. Okay. Next we have given with ball, and this one is orange. This one is like gas cylinder, and this one is our earth picture. So let's see. So ball, it is in sphere shape. Again orange sphere shape. But this one gas cylinder, this is in cylinder shape. And earth picture and earth, this is also in sphere shape. So the common here is this sphere shape. So the odd one out is the cylinder shape. The cylinder shape. Okay. Likewise, you have to circle. So this is going to be very easy, students. Do not expect the same question in your exam. They will ask different question also. Okay. So for example, if they are giving a piece of cake, and a ball, and again a spare shape and an orange, you have to circle the piece of cake because the cake is in triangle shape. So the cake, normally the cake, a piece of cake, so this is a piece of cake, so this will be in a triangle shape. It's in a triangle shape. So that time what you have to do, you have to circle the piece of cake if you get in a group of spare shape in the middle. Okay. So understand and then do it. So next, fill in the blanks. So you have to fill in the blanks. Name of the object which have no corners, one corner, three corners. So you have to write with no corner first. So which image has no corners? So the 3D image of a circle which is a spare shape. So for example, ball. So look at this ball, orange and cylinder. It does not have any corners because it is round in shape. It is round in shape. So a ball, see, it does not have any corners. So it does not have any corners. Okay. So you can write which object, you can write ball, or you can write orange. Whichever object in spare shape, you can write the same, etc. We have many objects. Okay. Next, one corner. So which object has one corner? So the object which has one corner is the object which are in cone shape. Which are in cone shape. For example, you can write ice cream cone, or a carrot, a vegetable, you can write carrot, or a hat, anything. Birthday hat, birthday cap, etc. Okay. And three corners. So which object has three corners? So a triangle has a three corner. So which all object you can able to see in triangle shape, students? Triangle. You can write flag. See, flag, if you have a flag here, it will be in triangle shape. Or a piece of cake, or pizza, a piece of pizza. It's in triangle shape. So you can write flag, cake, chips, etc. Okay, next. Write the number of faces, edges, and corners. So, students, this is very important. See, this faces, edges, you will be getting in class 3, 4, and 5. So, in second standard, we saw the base of these things. So, I have explained everything in detail. So, those who have missed to watch the videos of the chapter explanation, you have to watch it correctly. Then only you can able to answer the exam questions. Okay. So write the number of faces, edges and corners of a cube. So this is a cube. Now first we will write the number of faces. So how many faces does a cube has? Okay, I'm going to use different colors, students, so that you can easily able to see. First we will see number of faces. Faces I'll do in maybe green color. Okay. So this one, the first face. Okay, so this one is the first face and this one is the bottom face, second face. Okay, and this one, the side face I'll do in red. So this one is the third face. Okay, and this one is the fourth place. Okay, and there'll be a backside face. Do in light one. So this one, fifth face. So this one is the fifth place. And the front face is the sixth face. So the front one. This one is the sixth faces. So how many faces we have? Six faces. Okay. And how many edges we have? So I'll do in black color. So how many edges we have? We have one, two, three, four, and then five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges and how many corners? So how many corners we have? We have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So 8 corners. Okay, 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, very good. So next, so important question, students, this one I in exam for sure they will ask you this year also. Every year they are asking this question. They might give you cube, a cuboid, cylinder, any shape. Okay, so next write the number of faces and edges for a cone shaped figure. So this is a cone shaped figure and we will write the same now. How many faces we have? So this is the first face. So how many faces? I'm going to change the color to blue for face. Okay, here this is the face of the cone. So one face. And how many corners we have? Red color. So this one, the corner. So how many corners we have? We have one corner. And how many edges we have? The same, it is edging here. So we have one edge. Okay, so one face, one corner and one edge. So next, draw one image with no corners. So draw one image with no corners. Which image has no corner? A pear shape which doesn't have any corner. So you can draw a shape of a ball which has no corner. Okay, and if you want, you can color it. Okay, so a ball has no edges, corners. Okay, so now we have completed. So what we have understanding of concept is completed, 10 marks. So what they have asked in this, circle the odd one out in the given group. So they have given a group which has carrot, cube, ice cream and a cone shape hat. So cube is the odd one, so we circled it. Next they have given ball, orange, gas cylinder and a shape of an earth. So we have completed that also. We have staked out the shape of the cylinder because all other were in a spare shape. So next we have fill in the blanks. Name the object which have no corners, one corner and three corners. So three corner we have flag which is in triangle shapes. The image which are in triangle shape will have three corners. For example, so this is the triangle and corners. I'm going to mark in red. So this is the first corner. So this is the second corner and this is the third corner. Okay, for example, if they are giving a 2D shape of a square. So this is a 2D shape of a square. So 2D shape of a square, if they are asking, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. But if they are giving a 3D shape like this, if they are giving a 3D shape of a square, it has 8 corners. Okay. So next we have ability to compute. So next we have ability to compute, and for ability to compute we have 5 marks. So we will go to ability to compute. Fill in the blanks box and complete the number. So fill in the blank box and complete the number. So we have given 24 and all other blanks were boxes were blank and we are given with 3, starting with 3. So let's see. So if we start with 3 and write 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only it's coming. So it is not in a sequence of numbers. So it is in a sequence. So if you can able to see 24. So how many times jump is needed? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times jump is required. So from 24, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 jumps are there. So here also we have 7. So let's write 3 tables. So 3, so after 3, 3 twos are, I'll change the color students. One minute student. So 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21. So 7 jumps is done, and 8th we have 24. So 3 eights are 24. Likewise, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 3 into 8, which is 24. Okay, so likewise we have 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 into 8, 2 eights are 16. So easily you can write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are, I'm sorry, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are, oh, I'm sorry students, 1 minute. I missed a number. 1 minute students. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, and 2 eights are 16. So very easily you can be able to write the answer, students. Imagine if they are giving a different number. For example, if they are giving boxes from here to here. I'll show you one example. I'll erase all these. Wait. I'm giving you one more example, okay? Okay, I'm going to rub this one. Take white color. Okay. So imagine they are giving 5 here and they are giving 40 here. Then how you will write an answer? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 into 8, which is equal to 40. So you have to fill 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, and 5 eights are 40. You can get the answer very easily. Okay, this is one more example, some students. So while writing exam, so you should write it very neatly. That is very, very important. I see many of the students, they will write 5 and again they will do like this, they will do like this, or they will overwrite on 5, again they will overwrite it. So it will be like very difficult to find the answer, and your teacher will mark wrong for that answer. Even though if you write 5, we cannot able to see whether it is 5, 4, 3 or 10. So take a rubber, rub it nicely and then write the answer. Okay, next one. Complete the addition sentence by using the figure and find the sum. So we have given with boxes, we need to add it and find out the correct answer. Okay, 1 minute students. Okay, first we will count the number of jumps. Okay, so first we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 jumps. So again we have 1, 2, 3. 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And we reached 12 correctly. Okay. This is like the same frog jump questions we had in the chapter, right? Same type of question. Okay. So next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, how many jumps? 1, 2, 2 jumps. Again, 1, 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, very easy, students. So easily you can able to write the answer. So while counting the jump, you have to do it very, very carefully. Okay, you can write, if you don't want to count the jumps, you can do like this also. You can do like how many numbers in between. I'll do it in red. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can write 3, and here we have 1, 2 and 3. You can write 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write 6. You can do either way. So whichever is easy for you, that like that you can do. First time I did like this. 1, 2, 3. Like frog jumped in that lesson, right? Frog jump. Frog. I hope you remember we have a small frog also in that picture. It will be jumping here and there. So like that also you can count. Okay. So in this picture we have counted like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then 5. Next we have 1, 2. We have written 2 here. Next again 7 to 8 is 1. 8 to 9 is another 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 jump, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have written 2 here. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. So next is problem solving. So we came end of this lesson, students. So problem solving is end. So if you are getting 10 marks here and 10 marks here, again 5 marks here, and again let's see problem solving. Let's see problem solving. Find the answer for the given group question. So problem solving, find the answer. So there are fishes 25 in one pond. There are fishes 20 in another pond. So in one pond we have 20 fishes, and another pond we have 25 fishes. So how many there are in total? So we need to add these two numbers and find the total, students. So first pond we have 25 fishes, and second pond we have 20 fishes. So 25 plus 20. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. So totally how many fishes we have? We have 45 fishes. So you have to write 45. Okay, 45. We'll see the next one. 1 minute. So next there are 44 apples in one tree. So how many apples? We will write here 44. And there are 21 apples in another tree. So 21 apple. So how many there are in total? So we need to add both the numbers. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. So how many apples we have now? 65 apples. Okay, 65 apples. So next, Peter sees 31 birds in one tree and 16 birds in another tree. So how many did he see in all? So 31 birds in one tree and 16 birds in another tree. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. So totally how much? So we have 47. So 47 in total. So 31, 16 is 47. So this one is like problem solving ability, students. So you have to add. So sometimes they will ask question like this also. There are 25 fish in one point. 5 fishes were catched by a fisherman. So if they are asking 5 fishes catched by the fisherman. How many fishes are left? So 25 fishes are there in pond, and if 5 fishes were catched, that is we have to minus the fishes, then 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 20. So how many fishes will be left in the pond? 20 fishes. So like that also they will ask you the questions, students. Not only addition, subtraction also will be asked. Okay. And likewise in this bird they are telling Peter sees 31 birds and 5 birds were flew away. So if okay, one bird flew away. Peter sees 31 birds. I'll do in blue color so it looks little different. Okay, 31 birds, and if one bird fly away, so one bird fly away, so one bird, so you have to minus 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3. So how many birds will be there? There will be 30 birds remaining in the tree. Okay, so they will be asking both subtraction and addition. So you have to find out whether you have to subtract or you have to add. That is very important. Okay, so next, fill in the missing numbers. So you have to fill the box with the missing numbers. Okay, this is the last portion, students. So 6 plus dash is equal to 13. So which number if we add, we will get 13. So for that you have to minus the 6 from 13. So you have to minus it. Okay, so this goes 0, this goes 13. So 13 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will get answer 7. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So next, 18 minus dash is equal to 10. So which number if you minus from 18, you will get 10. So 18 minus 10. So 8 minus 0, which is equal to 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 8. So 18 minus 8, which is equal to 10. So these questions are very simple questions, students. Next, add 4 and 7, then subtract the result from 3. Subtract 3 from the result. Okay, I'm going to change the color back to red. So first we need to add 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7 is 11. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7. So then we have to minus 11 minus 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8. Okay, so the answer is 8. Okay, this question also very easy, students. Okay, do it very neatly. Okay, so 4 I'm sorry, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, and when we get the answer 11, they have asked us to subtract from the number 3. So 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8. Next, find the sum of 6 and 8, then divide the result by 12. Okay, so first we need to find the sum of 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8, which is equal to 14. Then what we have to do? We have to divide it by 2. So we have to divide by 2. 14. So 2 sevens are 14. So 2 sevens are 14. So the answer is 7. Okay. So fill in the missing numbers. We have completed now. So almost this question paper is also completed. Students, if you want the sample question paper, kindly join the channel And I have created a WhatsApp link also for class 2. Those who want to join the WhatsApp group, do please click the link and join the channel, okay? And if you want, so this also 10 marks means you will get full marks, students. How many marks we have? So 10, 10, 20, 25 plus 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. So 25 plus 10 is 35. So totally we have 35 marks. So if you score full marks, it will be very nice, students. You can able to get A plus, okay? That is what all the parents are willing to see the answer paper with this good marks, okay? So do it nicely, students. All the very best. If you have any questions, do send me an email. My email address is also given in the description box, which is kv.catherine3107 at gmail.com. I will type here and show you in big letters. You can see. Let me see whether it is visible. It is. So kv dot Catherine 3107 at gmail.com. So this is my email address, students. If you have any questions, or if you already joined the channel and requesting for worksheets, you send me an email along with your class details. I'll be sending the worksheet for practice, okay? So all the very best for your upcoming examination. Do well before going to the exam. Don't be in hurry, and always take your pencil box, eraser, color pencil, scale, everything, writing pad while going for your exam, and take light food. Do not have heavy breakfast before going for your exam. Take light food and take your water bottle, and always obey your class teacher or the teacher who is coming for the inspection. Just listen very carefully what they are telling, then start writing your examination, okay? So as I already told you, write your name, session, roll number very clearly. Do not overwrite anything, okay? All right, students, take care, be safe, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.